Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Today. Today in this video I will tell you, is coconut oil good for weight loss? Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Replacing your regular cooking oil with extra virgin coconut oil could give you more health benefits and may also aid in weight loss. We have always associated extra virgin with olive oil, but coconut oil too comes in its virgin version. It is derived from the kernels of fresh coconuts, which are not subjected to any heat or chemicals, and what you get is pure and natural oil that exceeds a strong fragrance and flavor. Coconut oil is used widely in many food preparation. Replacing it with extra virgin coconut oil could give you more health benefits and may also aid weight loss. Nutritional explain that coconut oil earned a bad reputation for containing hydrogenated oils that may be harmful for health. Extra virgin coconut oil, on the other hand, is produced without using any chemical solvents or high temperatures and could prove to be a better option. Why use extra virgin coconut oil for weight loss? Apart from many health benefits, coconut oil may also help with weight loss. Coconut oil contains saturated fats which increase the cholesterol level in the body and may also lead to weight gain. These saturated fats are not found in extra virgin coconut oil. This form of oil has medium chain fatty acid that can be easily processed by our body. Extra virgin coconut oil is also known to keep sugar levels stable, which in turn helps in shedding of excessive fat. This oil is rich in vitamin E, antioxidant and polyphenols, which help in balancing of hormone that further prevents weight gain that happens in case of hormonal imbalance. How to use extra virgin coconut oil for weight loss? Coconut oil is a popular cooking oil, but due to its overwhelming aroma and nutty taste, not everyone like in their foods. The cold pressed version of the oil or extra virgin coconut oil are more muted and will only make your food taste and smell better. Number 1. Use extra virgin coconut oil to make curries and stewed vegetables. If not, I'll definitely use this oil to make delicacies like sambar or prawn curry. Number 2. Add a dollop of virgin coconut oil to your morning tea or coffee. It is said that having it the first thing in the morning greatly assists weight loss. Number 3. Use coconut oil as a dressing for your salads. Number 4. Prepare tempering for your everyday dal in extra virgin coconut oil. Number 5. Add it to your smoothies for a richer, nuttier taste. With so many health benefits of extra virgin coconut oil, we suggest you try including it in your weight loss diet and see its magic work on your overall health and fitness level. You can buy extra virgin coconut oil on Amazon. I will give you a link in the description, please check out. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.